Hey, it's Stephen Kaufman again. Welcome back to another episode of Zeus TV. We're talking about home equity loans and home equity line of credits. And a lot of people, or home equity line of credit, and a lot of people are asking us, well, how much can I borrow on a home equity loan or home equity line of credit? It's a great question. And we want to let you know that you can borrow up to 80% if you live in Texas of your home's value. So let me say that again. If you have a home that's in Texas, the market value, you take the market value times that times 80%, that's the max loan amount. But you also have to subtract any outstanding mortgages that you have against your home, and that difference is the amount that you can have as a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. So let's go back and use an example. Let's say, for example, that your house is worth, not by the tax value, but the actual market value, what your house would sell for is $100,000, and you take 80% of that, because many years ago Texans voted that we wouldn't allow homeowners in Texas to take out more than 80% of their equity. So you take the $100,000, you times it times 80%, and you're going to have $80,000. Then let's presume for a second that you have a $30,000 current mortgage. That means you can get the difference between the $80,000 and the $30,000, which equals $50,000, as a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. Now, what I want to be careful to make sure I distinguish for you is that that doesn't mean that if you owe more than $80,000 in that scenario, or more than 80% of your home's value, that you cannot refinance. The truth is you can refinance. You just can't take cash out or take equity out of your home as in the form of a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. You can, if you owe more than 80% or less than 80% of your home's value, you can reduce your interest rate, you can reduce your term or change your term. You can roll in other costs into your loan if done properly. There are all sorts of things that can be done on a home refinance that don't qualify as a home equity loan or home equity line of credit. So I don't want you to be listening to this or watching this thinking, oh, I owe more than 80% of my house's value, so I can't refinance. No, that's not the case. And a home equity loan and a home equity line of credit are perfect for families that actually have equity in their home, and they do have that 20% excess. All right, this is Stephen Kaufman for another episode of Zeus TV. When we come back, we'll talk about home equity line of credit, credits compared to home equity loans and what the difference is. Talk to you soon.